In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to escalate a ticket in Zoho Desk. Whether you're dealing with a time-sensitive customer issue or simply need to pass it along to a higher level of support, escalating a ticket using Zoho Desk is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and guide you through it, step by step, ensuring you have all the insights needed for a smooth experience. To begin, you'll want to open Zoho Desk and head over to the Tickets tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your current cases. It's the central hub where you can keep track of customer inquiries, complaints, or any ongoing dialogue that requires attention. By clicking here, you immerse yourself in the heart of your customer service operations. Once you're on the Tickets page, scroll through the list and find the specific ticket you need to escalate. It helps to have the ticket ID or subject line handy to quickly spot what you're looking for, especially if you manage a large volume of tickets daily. After selecting the ticket, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see detailed information about the ticket you've chosen. Look closely and find the Status tab, which often shows as Open by default. This Status tab is crucial as it indicates the current state of the ticket and will also guide you on how to progress it further. When you click on this status, a drop-down menu will appear. Here's where the magic happens. Choose the Escalate option from the drop-down list. This process tells Zoho Desk that the ticket requires additional attention or intervention, automatically triggering any configured escalation rules within your system. After selecting the Escalate option, you need to confirm your choice. This typically involves clicking on an escalated status. Confirming this not only updates the ticket's current state, but also ensures that everyone involved is aware of its heightened priority. This update might be visible to your team and anyone who has access to view the ticket's details, depending on how your organizational settings are configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully escalated a ticket in Zoho Desk. Remember, the ability to escalate tickets can be a crucial tool in maintaining high-quality customer service and ensuring that all issues are handled efficiently and effectively. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can aid in keeping your customer support streamlined and responsive. If you have any questions about this process or need further assistance with Zoho Desk, feel free to reach out or explore more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy ticketing!